Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll be discussing how to sterilize your mattresses and sofas. These are items that we use every day, and they can accumulate bacteria, dust mites, and other allergens over time. Sterilizing them is essential for a healthy and comfortable home. So let's get started. Tip number 1, use a steam cleaner. A steam cleaner is a powerful tool that can help kill bacteria and dust mites in your mattresses and sofas. Simply run the steam cleaner over the surface of your mattress or sofa, paying extra attention to areas with stains or odors. Tip number 2, vacuum thoroughly. Vacuuming your mattresses and sofas regularly can help remove dust, hair, and other debris that can accumulate over time. Use a vacuum with a HEPA filter for maximum efficiency. Tip number 3, use a disinfectant spray. A disinfectant spray can help kill bacteria and germs on your mattresses and sofas. Spray a light mist over the surface of your mattress or sofa, and let it sit for several minutes before wiping it down with a clean cloth. Tip number 4, sunlight exposure. Sunlight exposure is a natural way to kill bacteria and dust mites. On a sunny day, remove your mattress or sofa covers and place them in direct sunlight for several hours. Tip number 5, wash bedding and covers regularly. Washing your bedding and covers regularly can help prevent the accumulation of bacteria and dust mites. Use hot water and a disinfectant laundry detergent for maximum efficiency. Conclusion: sterilizing your mattresses and sofas is essential for a healthy and comfortable home. Using a steam cleaner, vacuuming, using a disinfectant spray, sunlight exposure, and washing bedding and covers regularly are all great ways to sterilize your mattresses and sofas. We hope you found these tips helpful, and if you have any other suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.